In this video, we have to find the value of sine 18 degrees using geometry. So, if we make a triangle ABC such that AB is equal to AC, that is 1, and angle BAC is 36 degrees and BC is X, and now from point A, if we make a perpendicular on BC, suppose this point is M, then these two angles, they will be equal and 18 degrees, and also BM, it will be equal to CM, that will be X over 2, and in triangle ABM, it is A, B, M, this angle is 90 degrees, this angle is 18 degrees, AB is 1, BM is X over 2, so sine 18 degrees, it will be perpendicular over hypotenuse, and sine 18 degrees, it is equal to BM over hypotenuse is AB, and sine 18 degrees, it is equal to BM is X over 2 over AB is 1, so it is X over 2, and now we have a triangle ABC, and this angle is 36 degrees, BC is X, AB is 1, and AC is 1, and now these two angles, they will be equal, suppose theta, so 36 degrees plus theta, it will be 180 degrees, and 2 theta, it is 180 degrees minus 36 degrees, and 2 theta, it is 144 degrees, so theta, it will be 72 degrees, so this angle is 72 degrees and this angle is 72 degrees. And now from point B, if we make an angle bisector BN such that these two angles are equal, angle ABN, it is equal to angle CBN, that will be angle ABC over 2, and it is 72 degrees over 2, that will be 36 degrees. So this angle is 36 degrees and this angle is 36 degrees. And now in triangle BCN, it is BCN, this angle is 72 degrees, this angle is 36 degrees. So this angle, it will be 180 degrees minus 72 degrees minus 36 degrees, that will be 72 degrees. So it is 72 degrees, and these two angles are equal, that means BN, it will be equal to BC, and BC is X, so BN, it will be also X. BN is X, and in triangle ABN, it is A, B, N, these two angles are equal, that is 36 degrees. That means AN, it will be equal to BN, and BN is X, so AN, it will be also X. AN is X, and CN, it will be AC minus AN, and AC is 1 minus AN is X. So CN, it is 1 minus X, and now in triangle ABC and triangle BCN, we have angle ABC is equal to angle BCN, that is 72 degrees, and angle BAC is equal to angle CBN, that is 36 degrees. So triangle ABC, it will be similar to triangle BCN. Hence AB over BC it will be equal to BC over CN, and AB is 1 over BC is X. It is equal to BC is X over CN is 1 minus X, and if we cross multiply, then 1 minus X, it will be X times X, and 1 minus X is X square, and X square plus X minus 1, it will be equal to 0. So X, it will be minus B plus minus root under B square minus 4AC over 2A, and X, it is minus times B is 1 plus minus root under 1 square minus 4 times A is 1 and C is minus 1 over 2 times 1, and X, it is minus 1 plus minus root under 1 plus 4 over 2, and X, it is minus 1 plus minus root 5 over 2. So we get X is minus 1 plus root 5 over 2, and X, it is minus 1 minus root 5 over 2, and we know that X is length that should be positive, and this is negative, so it is not possible. So X, it is root 5 minus 1 over 2, and we have sine 18 degrees is X over 2, sine 18 degrees, it is X over 2, that will be root 5 minus 1 over 4, it is root 5 minus 1 over 4,